Welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to do project number 1 of the Fluttering Garden, a March 2026 paper pumpkin kit. So I have got my card front. It's the one with the circle on it. I've got my I'm So Grateful for You. I've got my 2 hummingbirds. I've got my basic gray stamp spot and the stamp that I need, and my bling. So this one, super quick, super easy. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this in half. Now, if you don't have a bone folder with you, if you've got this kit on the go and you just need to do that crease, you can use the side of your block. You get an acrylic block with your first paper pumpkin kit, and then you just reuse it for all your other kits. So I need to ink up my stamp, and I write the name of the ink color on the back in Sharpie so that I can store them upside down and I know which color it is without having to look at them all. So I'm going to do one curve here. Oh, that is so pretty. Just like that. That is just so effective. Okay, and we're going to ink up this one. Make sure we've got lots of ink on there. And then we're going to turn it around this way. Like that. Okay, so that's got that done. Now I need to put my dimensionals on the back of these. Okay, so I've got my sheet of dimensionals, and I'm going to put 3 on the greeting, and I'm going to put 2 on each of the hummingbirds. I don't do these ahead of time. I make them as I go, following the instructions the same way you would, so that if there's any glitches or anything that can be misread, then I do it first and you can learn from my mistakes. But mostly the instructions are pretty good. There's only been a couple of times where I've kind of questioned what's going on. We're going to pop this down right in the middle, kind of trying to cover up that line of circle there. So I'm so grateful for you. And then this one pops down at the bottom like this. Okay, and then this one goes at the top like this. Sorry, I'm just trying to line it up with how they've got it in the picture. There we go. Here we go. And then we need bling. We're going to take a large bling and we're going to put it right here, and a small bling and put it up like this, and another one like this right in the flowers. And then we're going to put another large one down here and another small one down here. And that is our first project in the paper pumpkin kit for March 2026 called Fluttering Garden. So stay tuned for project number 2.